Hello guys, today I'm here with another topic, and that is retroperitoneal structures. Now let me tell you what the retroperitoneal structures are. They are actually posterior to and outside of the peritoneal cavity, and they are only covered by the peritoneum on their anterior surface. So let's memorize the retroperitoneal structures by a simple mnemonic, and that mnemonic is SAD Parker. S for suprarenal gland, and that's adrenal gland, you know. A for aorta and inferior vena cava. T for duodenum, second to fourth part, as first part is not the retroperitoneal. P for pancreas and except tail. U for ureters. C for colon. These are ascending and descending colon. K for kidneys. E for esophagus and its thoracic portion. R for rectum, partially it is retroperitoneal. So the structures which are retroperitoneal, the mnemonic for it is SAD Parker. And guys, one thing more, that is injuries to these structures can cause blood or gas accumulation in the retroperitoneal space. So that's it, that's all about retroperitoneal structures. Thanks for watching.